Banishing Flea Bites. Quick and easy home remedies.
Welcome. Today we're going to talk about home remedies for flea bites. Flea bites can be very uncomfortable, causing itchiness and pain. But don't worry, there are several natural and effective ways to ease these symptoms right at home.
Why do flea bites itch and hurt?
Flea bites can cause discomfort due to the body's allergic reaction to flea saliva. This causes inflammation and itchiness. When we scratch these itchy bites, it can lead to more irritation and even pain. Let's explore some simple remedies to alleviate these symptoms.
What can I use at home to soothe flea bites?
Cold compress or ice pack. The first thing you can do is apply a cold compress or an ice pack to the bite. This can reduce swelling and numb the area, lessening the itchiness and pain. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory and soothing properties that can relieve itchiness and promote healing. Simply apply the gel directly to the bite. Baking soda paste. Another remedy you can try is a baking soda paste. Mix baking soda with a small amount of water to create a paste, and then apply it to the bite. This can help reduce inflammation and itchiness. Apple cider vinegar. Diluted apple cider vinegar can also be applied to bites to alleviate itching. Just remember to avoid applying this to broken skin or open wounds, as it might cause a stinging sensation.
What else can I do to prevent further discomfort?
Avoid scratching. While it may provide temporary relief, scratching can lead to more inflammation, pain, and potentially skin infection. Try your best to avoid scratching the bites. Wear protective clothing. If you're dealing with a flea infestation, wearing long sleeves and pants can help prevent further bites. Deal with the fleas. Ultimately, the best way to prevent flea bites is to eliminate the source, the fleas. Professional pest control or flea treatments for your pets may be necessary. Flea bites can certainly be a nuisance, but with these simple home remedies, you can effectively manage the itchiness and pain. Remember, if your symptoms persist or worsen, it's best to seek medical advice. We hope these tips have been helpful and wish you a speedy relief from any pesky flea bites.